What's going on, my people out there? Raul TV Team R4UL. I know I'm on the move and everything, but this is a pre-recorded video from, I would say, a few months ago. Alright, but I forgot to do the intro and the outro. So basically, this is how we replace the rear bulbs or rear brake light bulb on a Citroen C1 2015. Alright, this is how we replace it. Let's go. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in this way. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Right, I'm going to go in through the back here. Okay, and I don't know what to take off. I'll be straight up honest with you. Okay guys, so we're going to go in here. Okay, through the boot, as you can see there. Go straight in this way. Take this cover off. I just took this cover off. Okay, take that cover off. Okay, we're going to take the plug off. Plug there. Wiring plug. Just press it and pull. Boom, there we go. That comes off. And we've got a little plastic screw right there. We're going to go ahead and take that off counterclockwise. Get some pliers or something if you're strong enough with your fingers. No, I can't do it. So get some pliers in there like that and just turn it counterclockwise. Oh, there we go. And take that off. Let's go. Right, okay, so after we've taken that little plastic screw off, right, all we do now is it's going to put up a little bit of a fight. Actually, quite a bit of a fight. 1 minute. There we go. Take that off from there. Turn it around. Right, okay, so what we're going to do now is we see these little clips here. We're just going to push them out like that. Push that one out. Push that one out. Another one here. Push that out and then lift as well at the same time. Push out and lift. Push out and lift. Sorry, I know I've got dirty fingers, everything. I can't be asked putting gloves on now. Push out and lift. And boom, there we have it. There is the bulb cluster. What we're going to do now is we're going to replace the side light, which is this one. If you want to, you can go ahead and replace all of them. The indicator, the brake light, everything. So I'm going to replace the side light. Fog light doesn't look the best as well. Go ahead and replace that as well. Let's go. Right, so we've got our bulb here. Just put it in. You can't really get it wrong. The cutout, the pins in the cutout. Push down and turn. Same here on this one as well. Can't really get that wrong as well. Push down and turn. Boom, there we have it. Make sure the seal is on properly and get it back on there. Back on there. Let's do it. Okay, so just refit that, get it in the cutout, in the hole. All we're going to do now is put this one back on. Just go in this way, and you can't really miss it. If you go in this way, there it is, there, the little bolt sticking out, and just stud sticking out, whatever, and then just screw that in there like that. I know, dirty hands again, dirty fingers. You don't want to see dirty fingers, but dirty hands, dirty fingers, clean money. That's all I'm saying. Right, so just screw that in. You get the picture. You can't really get it wrong. Clockwise, screw it in, tighten it up. I'm going to put the plug back on, and that's it, done.